There is a better way to treat the sesamoid issue. The sesamoid issue is really caused by the protrusion of your sesamoid bone. This is because that the foot relaxes over time and is losing fascial tension. The good news is that the foot is moldable and it can be rearranged through active training. Here's an exercise I'd like to show you that will address this problem, and it's called the big toe calf raise.
Today I'm going to show you the big toe calf raise, or actually the glutes raise with hyperarch. Lower level people feel more calves, but higher level people with fascial connection will feel more glutes. So how does it look like? I'm going to put the marble for beginners. Put the marble right here, okay? Along your second toe, you put it right here.
You need to ball your toes towards your ball of the foot. And notice that your anterior tibial tendon should be prominent. If it doesn't show, you want to do the elevated toe core exercise in the YouTube section. Your big toe should be the primary target as you lift the weight from your heels. People with sesamoid problems, try not let your sesamoid bone bear any weight in this exercise. The focus should be your big toe. Here is a side view. If you are lower level, you will feel your calf the most. But as you progress further along hyperarch fascia training, you will feel your glutes in this exercise.